This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from China, and this is by Haichijia, and it features a little image of Bobby Yip. He's an actor. I believe he might be a comedian on the lid. And this is a spicy noodle. So let's get to it. So we got, look at this. An included fork, not needed. I am in the kitchen already. And I have forks in here. But if I were on the go, carrying around a boiling hot bowl of soup, I would really appreciate that. And I do. I have the option. I love the fact that, you know, should I go off about how people every once in a while give me a bunch of crap about not using chopsticks? Nah, not today. No. Every once in a while I have to do that. The Ramen Junkies group has been pretty well behaved lately, honestly, and lots of neat new people joining the group. Here's some vegetables. It's nice. We've had some people that have been pretty crummy. Actually, insofar as people not behaving themselves. So my wife works for a local hospital system, and she schedules appointments, right? Whoa, don't get in there. And she's on the phone. Well, every once in a while, she'll get somebody. Oh, I mean, a lot of people are just like always cranky. It's pretty standard. You'll get cranky people. I still to this day don't understand why you would call somebody and say, I need this. Well, I'm sorry, that's not possible, but you can do this. And they just refuse to, like, understand or just, like, try to be jerks about it. And yeah, a lot of that, which I just don't understand. It's like, if you want something, it's like if you were a little kid. Little kids know. Can I get the dolly? What do they say? Please. Yeah. They don't go like, can I get the dolly? No, not today. Well, blah, 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 my insurance provider, blah, 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 blah. But I guess she wouldn't tell me over the over text, but she said she got one patient that called in that was really quite abusive towards her, and that's crap. I was like, give me his info. Maybe I can pay him a visit, you know what I'm saying? Of course you can't, and that would be grounds for dismissal. And that guy is definitely not worth that. But it's like, she said it. She was like practically in tears the way the guy was talking. It was like, what? That sucks. You don't deserve that, my love. You do not deserve that. And people, be nice to people that when you gotta call them and they can't just give you what you want immediately. Because you know what? They're people too. They is. Anyways, I want to show you my new my thing I figured out. I figured out how to put my favorite video game of all time on my arcade box, and I want you to check it out. So let's do that. Let's get my... God, this thing's stiff. Is there a way to, like... No. It doesn't appear there is a way to, like, yeah. Jesus. Hold on. Okay, and now we're gonna zoom in on that, like so. Alright, so we're gonna go to Crap, how do I do that? I need to be... There we go. Go to set 1. And we're going to crank it up. This is called Zookeeper. It came out in 1982, and my mom used to give me a bunch of quarters when I was like 7 or 8 years old, when she would go shop at Safeway, a local grocery store. And yeah, she'd give me like a few quarters, and then I would play while she shopped, and then I'd be done. And then, you know. Alright, here we go. So the object is to keep the crap. I need to get new controllers for this thing, I think is the deal. Wow. Just like... Ding it, ding it, ding it, ding it, ding it. Bow. Yeah, I freaking have fond memories of playing this game. It's like it sticks. And then you get this stage where it's kind of like Donkey Kong. There's nothing worse than having controls that just don't want to do what you want them to do, and they should be doing what you want them to do. Oh, suck. But that's me. I'm number 1. I got a high score chart for that. Baby. Yeah, I freaking absolutely love that game. It's the most wonderful game of all time. Get the root beer. But anyways, yeah, that I wanted to be able to do that so bad and have that on my arcade box, and so now I do. The only thing I gotta fix with this thing is I gotta get the glass. I gotta get the glass off of here, lift it up, and then make it so the monitor, you know, because it's off-centered right now. But yeah, I am really jazzed with this thing. Just not the controls. But yeah, the guy who made that is the guy who got this thing all happy again. Alexa, turn off arcade. Cool, huh? I certainly think so. So yeah, there's that, and I've been playing that a little bit and getting very frustrated at the quality of the controls, and yeah. And that was just the right amount of time to do what I needed to do. So now you know. And, oh, we can zoom out a little further. I think that did it. Yeah, that did it. Yeah. Well, it's 1:30 p.m. This is the last review I'm doing today. So, that's cool. I'm just beat. We've had, like, high allergy, blah, blah, for a few days now. I'm bummed it's going to start dumping rain, but I'm also happy if that gets the tree junk out of the air. But yeah, let's see how this one is. This Haichijia stuff usually is really good, but this could be like way too Szechuan peppery for me. We'll find out. Okay, not bad. Look how oily that is. Wow. I'm gonna have to say, of all the Haichijia varieties I've tried, whoo, that's got a bite. Sometimes these Chinese varieties have a very chemically kind of thing going on, and this is one of those. Use this or that? I want to use this. There we go. Yeah, look at the oil. Wow. Okay. Use that. God, do I want to use egg? I've got my Chinese sausage too. But I don't know if there's enough noodle here that'll support. No, I guess it will. Yeah, and I guess I'll just use my mung bean sprouts and my scallion. It really doesn't seem logical to go with an egg because it's just going to cause me fits because it won't do what it needs to do. Ugh, that won't even do what it needs to do. Yeah, that's pointless. You just go down there. I'll use an unhealthy amount of scallion. How about that? Yeah. Yeah. A little bit of seed. Yeah, this one's kind of a letdown, to be quite honest. Hey, that worked pretty good. All right, Rotato, do your stuff. Okay. Whoa. God, this thing's a pain in the ass. This new monopod is just like giving me fits. Time to cut up the cup so I can scan it. And yeah, that's it for me for today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one and bye-bye.